today we're reviewing Nickelodeon Neon Glow Slime. So let's unbox it. Okay, so maybe we have to unbox it from this side. My bad. Sorry, guys. Okay. So here's what it comes with. Ooh. So it comes with the glow in the dark paint. Oh Jesus, it's upside down. Wait, it didn't all come out. So it comes with a bowl, or two bowls, I'm not sure. A measuring cup, the glow in the dark paint, and the two colors, pink and green. Oh, this has tape over it. Sorry guys. And it has this cute little green spoon. That's actually really adorable. Three mixing sticks. Some slime activator. And some glue. So let's get making it. Alright. So here's the instructions. Okay. Step 1. Measure 15 milliliters of clear glue. Okay. Let's get 15 milliliters. So 50 milliliters is about half the cup of this, not the glue. Oh, it has a seal. My bad. I'm like, why is it not coming out? That was really easy. There. Okay, now the glue should work. Okay, that's about 15 milliliters. So let's bring our bowl over here and put the instructions up here. Okay, so then you just gotta pour this in and scrape the outsides. Okay. Now we've done that. Measure 25 milliliters of water that is room temperature. Oh gosh, I just touched the glue. My bad. Good thing I have a little towel. So I have some water over here because I was just needed to know maybe we would use water. So that's why 25 milliliters. Yeah, that's exactly 25. What a coincidence. And now we need to stir it up until it's fully blended. This is watery. I don't think oh, it actually is not. That's kind of weird. When it's in air, it's like gooey, but when it's in the bowl, it's watery. That's weird. Okay, so it's fully blended. Now we have to measure 5 milliliters of the slime activator. Yep, 5 milliliters. I think I said 5, yeah, 5. There's not 5 milliliters anywhere, so just do like half the 10. Oopsie, that was glue, my bad. Okay. 5 milliliters. Oh, don't tell me there's another seal. Okay. What? The seal's on top of here? What the? This won't work. Hold on a minute, guys. The seal is on top of the lid. This isn't gonna work. We did it wrong. Oh, wait. I think I got it. I actually did it, guys. Wow. It was stuck to the top of the container and I did it. Okay. So anyways, 5 milliliters of activator. Put the activator in. And stir until it is activated. Be careful when using the slime activator though, in the contact of your eyes. Because who knows what can happen. Oh. Actually it's turning. Oh. It's actually working. Whoa, guys, this is so cool. I've always had trouble making clear slime, but now I know you just do glue and water because I never knew that. And then you add the slime activator. I think this is borax activator. Probably why it works. Okay guys, so after we do this, after all the solution is absorbed, remove the slime with your hands. So you need to knead the slime afterward. Seems kind of sticky. Ooh. I think it needs a tiny bit more activator because it's like not working. So sticky. It's really residually. Why is this so sticky? Okay guys, so just letting you know it is kind of sticky. Alright, so I think I got it to not be as sticky. It's still pretty sticky, but that's okay. So let's just move on to the next step. Okay. There's seriously not any more steps. So now I just have to mix in the color. All right, let's do pink. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna be neon. Very watery. The paint is very watery. But yeah. Ooh, it's turning neon. It's so weird. But yeah, this is really cool. And then if it doesn't have to be glow in the dark, but this is the glow in the dark paint. Like when you stretch it, it like goes back to being clear. Okay, I'm just gonna drop this stick. It's kind of annoying. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just gonna get a new stick and we're gonna add a little bit of this glow in the dark paint stuff. I think it's paint. Seems like it's paint. So if you want it to be like extra glow in the darky, you gotta add extra paint because this doesn't. You add as much as like if you want it to be a little glow in the dark-ish, you add a little bit. If you want it to be a lot glow in the dark-ish, which I do, you add a lot. So I added a lot. It's like this, it's not really neon. It's kind of neon, but I don't know. Tell me if you think this is neon. But yeah, it's kind of melting. The slime's a little melty. And add a little more activator. So this is kind of like, I kind of like this slime. I wouldn't recommend it though because it's really watery and it's sticky. It just doesn't really mix with anything. But we should probably need it in our hands, even though it's like sticky and watery. Yeah, this is not a slime. Oh, so there's like a blob of slime, but the rest of the activator won't mix. Let's see this. Yeah, this is just a mess. I wouldn't recommend this slime, guys, but yeah, I'm just showing you guys how this works. Maybe I did it wrong, but that's it. Bye. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to go subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on Instagram. Bye.